Alright, so today I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys. This is going to be for the Z3, and this is something that I've discussed and something that I've always wanted to get, you know, for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys. If you guys already know what it is, you know, you can definitely already just tell. But it's something, you know, for the motors that need to get replaced. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, is that perfect? All right, you guys can't see me, but it's okay. So, as long as you guys can see the new valve cover, I'm pretty hype on this. So, as you've known, I mean, like on these BMWs, like the Z3, E36 chassis, and E46, the ones I have, you all know, like, they all have a plastic valve cover. This, as you can see, is an aluminum. This is like pretty much the same on what it looks like that's on it right now, except it's not plastic. So this one already came with its gaskets already, the seals, the bolts that we need, which I didn't think it would come, which is pretty cool. So that's awesome. I was gonna go ahead and just use the same bolts that were on that are currently on, but that's awesome. So this pretty much came everything all together. I did buy it off eBay. So as I was saying, I was recommended by a few people on Instagram, Facebook, because I did put out like on, you know, if I did put out like a status or something, you know, what they recommend, either just changing the valve cover with the gaskets or just the gaskets and use the same cover. Mainly it was just change the gaskets, the cover should be fine, just don't pry it open too much because you could crack the seals around the plastic and it's game over. So this one, I think the brand is called Midzone. Like I said, I did buy it off eBay. It's pretty much the same company, not the same valve cover, but this is the company. It's called Midzone, and the one I bought was pretty much, I'm showing you guys again, just so I have it all clear. All right, so it's this right here. If I can focus that pretty good. So this is pretty much the aluminum valve cover with the gaskets that come with it. It's for the Z3 and 325i, 328i. Basically, they all run the same motor, same valve cover. So if you get a little confused, you're not sure which one you're running, just try to, you know, whichever car you have. If you have a Z3 like myself and you're not sure what valve cover you're running, it's definitely this guy. It's the same one that's going to have on the E36 as well. So yeah, I mean, if anything, just follow by the part number that's on here. I usually just follow part numbers. Just don't get them mixed up because you'll get the wrong part. Color-wise, I want to talk about it actually. The color on this is pretty dope. I didn't think it's going to be like a nice sparkly color finish. I thought it was going to be like a dead non-painted, you know, valve cover. I thought it was gonna be like just a regular valve cover coming in that just ready to get painted, or should I just like run it the way it is? Honestly, when I saw the photo, it was just showing like plain silver, plain gray. I was like, okay, I think I'm just gonna run like that for now because I really don't have any ideas on what color I want to do, and especially on a color that could go well with the wrap. I don't want to do another blue because that just overkills it. But anyways, this is gonna make my life a lot easier because this comes in silver already painted, and I absolutely love it. I love how it came out. This silver reminds me like, oh shit, let me just try to focus. If it wasn't focused for a while, I'm sorry. I gotta get a new lens. I just hate this lens. Anyways, back to my discussion. This silver reminds me like the original silver that was on the Z3. But it's originally called Titan Silver. So since, you know, I'm looking at it now in person and I fuck with it. I seriously love it. Like, you can just see up close. You can see the glitter, the flakes. Like, I don't know if this is how I'm not sure. Like, I just love it. I love the color. If it's just primer, I don't care. I think it's just paint, so.
It's very clean.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's just, that's a new valve cover.
This is it. This is going in.
Yeah, it's going in later today, hopefully.
Hell yeah.
So.
Get her all sealed up.
Oh yeah.
So she doesn't leak over the winter.
Look at the color.
Oh fuck yeah, it's like raw. Oh dude, that's sick.
It doesn't even look like it's raw. It looks like it's already painted.
Not like raw, but like it's like metal.
Yeah.
Fucking, you know, that's how much.
I mean, is that paint or no? I don't
It
know.
looks like a silver paint, probably.
Does
to be honest
it?
with you.
Because I'm seeing the
That
flakes.
shit's sick.
And so I thought like I need to think of a color to paint this, but I really couldn't until I saw and I opened this up. I saw the color.
I would keep it, but
I'd
now
keep
it's
it.
like, how are you gonna show it off a little bit?
I don't know.
I mean, you can a little, because like, I mean, you're gonna see that part right there.
Yeah.
But, like, the cover is super clean too.
I mean, I'm not gonna run that.
No, you're taking it off.
I'm taking it off. Yeah.
Alright.
Because I know that's just gonna show sober, but I want to show the whole thing sober, so I might just have this.
Take that one
I'm just
cover
gonna take it
off.
off. Yeah. I'll put it on whenever if I feel like it or something.
I feel you.
Well, a lot of people are just run it exposed.
Yeah.
So.
So usually you don't really need an engine cover.
No, yeah. I mean, it's fine.
Point's done, all the lights are on, the wiring's out done, there's about 30 odd wires, and you've got a wire outside. I can't work. It's also what I need to do stuff like this, so turn it off without
Dirty like this.
Right, we're getting down there soon.
I was gonna put the styrofoam just so scratching your valve cover, but I don't think it's gonna make a difference. I'm just gonna set it down really gently. I just want to see how it'll look. I just can't wait until after it's on. I just want to see like a good. I just want to see like just like a rough draft, just brainstorming, just to see what it'll look like. And wow, I fucking love it. It's so sick. Oh man, that's gonna look so clean. I'm telling you, with the silver valve cover, with the BBS wheels.
This is all the crystals that fall through the screen.
You guys look at it like it's gold.
This is gold.
I'm gonna be with it.
You put that in a blunt or whatever, that shit.
I'm gonna be with it. It's
You
okay.
know, bowl pack, like you hit it once, it hardens up.
Yeah,
That shit's crazy. It like gets to a hash consistency.
it's gonna smell loud in here.
Beautiful. Keith smells the
This goes to the inside. This, I don't even know what the fuck this is. I don't even know if it's metal. It kind of feels soft and rubbery.
I think that's a piece of the
Steel?
seal. Yeah,
yeah.
it's definitely
So
seal.
we'll cut that out. We'll probably I don't know. We're gonna have to just cut away anything that's unsavable and then just weld to what we can.
Yeah.
If we have to cut this bottom piece out, weld a plate in, and then weld something in, we will.
Yeah.
No, we won't see it, but we also don't want to do this like
Kind of like.
Alright. We gotta loosen the bolt now. Oh, it's just one of the nuts too.
Oh.
It's probably inside.
Oh yeah, you see it.
Wanna open the door?
It wasn't that hard, but the wheel had to get pried out
Gotcha.
with some weird mechanisms. They were like, they pretty much like pull anything. I mean, I got it on video. Pretty much all of these. It's a weird ass cloth.
Yeah.
It just pulls it out.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Belt needs to come off, and timing, obviously. I think I'm at work until 3:30, but then after that, we'll be able to do some more shit here. Kyle, and until then, I mean, I think Kyle is gonna do the work here with this with you. But I just want to update with you in this. So we got that off. And
Fucking good.
yeah, I mean, other than that, it just needs to be scrubbed a lot. I mean,
Yeah, facts.
a lot of us. I mean, we have wire wheels here,
I
but
should have brought some degreaser. I had a little bit left, but I don't have a whole lot.
cheapest way would work if you go to the dollar store. Just get oven spray.
I want to see it.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing that like engine cleaner. We used it. Me and Kyle actually used both of them, mixed it up to it's more strength to get all the grease out. And so on the E46. But honestly, these are like cheaper to get. So we got more. Yeah.
I never like seen.
More or less just to keep everything, you know, organized. But so far, everything seems to be okay. And Devin and Scott works with,
Are those able?
oh yeah.
I gotta get like a little like tub or something.
As long as you don't rush it now, it'll come on like.
Hey, let's go! Her brains is open.
Bad, like leather. I should have just said fuck it.
Some white guy, heavy lifting, all that stuff. And he just bought a Black Hawk. That's what he did. Bought like a crate of car parts. Ended up profiting like 60K.
Well, it's almost there. That's the first time I'm seeing this whole thing open.
Cessna.
2 gingies and an Arnold Palmer. Yeah, they didn't have any.
Is that what you said in the camera?
I should have.
What are you doing? You show me some chicken.
I wanted to fucking go in there so bad and be like, yeah, let me get 2 gingies and an Arnold Palmer, cuz. He'd be like, what? What are you talking about?
I don't know this voice.
I do not know what they are.
That shit was funny. You know what?
Before the shop, I've had it parked outside. During the summer and the rain, and it was cold out still, too. Eventually, I think the little critter was sleeping here. Probably died out.
And every time they go on it, it falls and they just fall all the way from up there, splat down.
Not that one, do anything wrong.
You really don't think they
No,
can
they're
get
too
there?
light. They'll be like, beep, and you hear it squeak, and they'll run. You gotta get the water bucket, the rolling
Anybody
ball.
on E36 coupe for 4K?
Yes, sir. Oh, no.
Like, fill a bucket with water.
And the weather's so breezy. My life always is easy. She can all I know you love to show off. Around, probably unconventionality. I'm feeling rap, check out my melody. I wanna live good. I sell dope for one of them dope ropes. And it told me when I met him, I'm a ride. And if I gotta die by the homicide, I ain't at 50 cent when my grandmama died. Now I'm going back to Cali with me. And I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me.
So I got the valve cover on, just putting all the wires, like clipping them back in, and we gotta put these clips back on. These pretty much clip into the one of the sensors, just so they just stay on, just so they don't wobble around. It's pretty much a small bracket. And forgot to put them on, which I should have done in the beginning before putting the cover on. But anyways, Just get these on, and then coil packs and battery plugged in, and start her up. It should be good. Booyah! Booyah! Oh, that's a snug fit. I mean, tight fit. Pretty good. I'm hyped. Almost there.
We'll put that in the car. That's it. That's all I got. That's it. No way. A strut bar and wheels. Okay. And the place is.
Every car that came along just got a little different.
I had no idea. That is awesome. I'm definitely for it more than Walker.
I said you're very lucky.
All right, so I got everything done. Everything's tying up all together. And it looks so sick. I just gotta plug in the battery, and then give her a good start and start her up. But I love how the manifold. Excuse me. I'm so tired. I love how the valve cover came out, and it looks super clean. I still have those black plastic covers that are right here, along with the old valve cover, but I'm not gonna run those covers. I'm just gonna keep them, and I'm just gonna run just like that, honestly. And love that color. It looks so nice. It's gonna come out even nicer with cleaning it up and plugging the battery, and everything should be okay. I'm gonna give it a good start. I would plug it in everything right now, and I would love to test drive it, go out for a run, go out for a spin, but we put some, but I had Kyle put some RTB on some corners on the front of the valve cover. You can see the orange spots. Only a little bit on these corners, and same thing on the back on the other side, only because it was required when you change the valve cover for the BMW, especially for this one. So easy peasy. Say, you know, taking apart, you know, plastic trim pieces, you know, from a BMW, they often snap. But this time, you know, I didn't snap any bolts, didn't strip any threads, so should be good for now. Until then, I'm gonna continue this video next time. When I pull it out, take it for a wash and spin it. That'll probably be tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm just gonna close out this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys liked it. Just like, comment, subscribe, definitely. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.